up, y'all? Welcome to the channel. Today's video is a build that I think some of you have been waiting on for a really long time because I have had this F-350 for about a year and a half now, and it has been entirely stock this whole time. And honestly, that's gotta be some kind of record for me. But anytime I post it, I always get comments saying, when are you gonna build a tow pig? Why is it still stock? And truthfully, I have absolutely loved it stock. One, not only is it just insanely convenient to drive, the most convenient thing I've ever owned to drive, but two, I actually, when I bought the truck, I wanted to buy something that I loved the stock look of, that I wouldn't want to customize because it just wasn't my priority at the time, and I was focusing on my Burnout truck. That's where all my funds were going and everything like that. So I wanted to be able to daily drive and haul with something that I thought looked badass just how it was. But I still stand by that. These are still the best looking stock trucks, and I have fully enjoyed it being stock. But I use the word build very loosely because it's not going to be anything fully custom, and it's still going to be a really practical daily driver setup. It's just gonna be spiced up a little bit. So the first step for the build is a full chrome delete and getting everything color matched black. So I took it to our friends at Paint Solutions in Cleburne, Texas to take care of that. You guys know I do dabble in a little bit of paint, okay, but I trust them to do it right. I have zero experience in like smoothing out the plastics and prepping all of that, and they already have that fully done. So I'm gonna show you guys. I actually picked up the last pieces today. So what I didn't tell you is we're doing pink little accents. It's still gonna be blacked out, but check these out. I'm freaking stoked. So it looks so much brighter on camera, like it almost matches my hat on camera. But so the pink that we did actually matches the pink on my trailer. It's pretty much be completely blacked out with little pink accents that match the trailer. Actually, all blacked out except maybe the wheels. So Stephanie Paint Solutions did let me spray my interior pieces in the paint booth. So at least I did get to paint something. That made me super happy. I wasn't quite as worried about what all that was gonna look like because it's on the inside, but it actually turned out really freaking good. I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you guys my view right now because they're in right now. Look how freaking cute. Don't mind that the truck is entirely dirty, but this turned out so sick. Here she is, guys. All paint match black accents. This is my favorite part. I have to show you first. Are we kidding? My logo in the headlights. I'm obsessed. Now, I didn't want pink headlights originally. I had asked for black. Our painter, Stefan, surprised me with these, and I am just stoked about them. I think they look so good. And I thought that it would be too much pink, but once they're in the truck, they still look pretty subtle. And we've got the front emblem here, grille color matched, mirrors color matched, the little side badges, just enough pink in those. I took off the grandpa steps, and it kind of feels like I'm getting in a lifted truck now. I'm not gonna lie. I got way too used to those. Just smoked the taillights just a little bit because everyone says that in Texas you can get pulled over quite a lot for not having red taillights. I wanted just solid black, but since I am gonna be hauling a trailer a lot and doing, CDL things without a CDL, I'm not trying to get pulled over. So he just tinted these, and then the third brake light also. And then we've got the little pink accents back here. Looks so sick. And for the bumpers, I powder coated the front and back. And we've got the powder coat pretty much down that matches the factory black Ford paint. It is Sable Spec by Prismatics. Has just the right amount of metallic in it, and it turned out really good. And we got my wheels and tires in for the truck. So I told you guys I wasn't going big and crazy for the tow pig, so I went with 35-inch BFGs, 12 and a half inches wide. So I've got a nice meaty sidewall. These are the KO2s, so really good looking tire, nice tread for really any kind of terrain. These are gonna be perfect for hauling, daily driving. These are gonna be perfect because not only do I drive on the highway, but I also end up in some off-road situations with the trailer every now and then. So just as the name, all terrain, these are gonna kind of do it all, but aren't like a dedicated off-road tire per se. But they're sure as heck gonna be a little better than whatever I got going on here. And of course, you know I gotta go with JTX's 22-inch dually wheels. These are the Tenant design, and I got them brushed. I haven't quite decided what color I'm gonna do on them. Me and Zach are kind of having conflicted feelings on what powder coat color I should do. Stay tuned, we'll see what they end up. So I'm super excited to try out these BFGs. I'm actually gonna set a trip on my dash so I know how many miles are on them, and I can share with you guys like my full review on how they wear, how they ride, hauling the trailer, daily driving, all of the things. I'm gonna be able to do a full review, see how many miles I get out of these things. So tonight's the night, I'm powder coating my wheels, and me and Zach have been in an argument, somewhat of an argument, for the past like week over this because he wants me to powder coat them black. I want to do tinted clear. The way they stand out a little bit from the black truck. I love a blacked out truck. I'm not saying that would look bad, but I'm just saying, you know, I kind of have a problem with powder coating forged wheels black because it's like, why wouldn't you just get cast wheels, you know? So, sorry babe, I think, they're going tinted clear.
You're going out of town. I'll repowder coat black while you're gone.
You better not.
I'm not gonna put them on your trip.
It's gonna look good. It's gonna look good. You guys trust me? A lot of people don't know what tinted clear really looks like, but if you guys remember my teal truck, I had tinted clear on those wheels, and then also the last wheel and tire setup on the Hummer before we did the giveaway was tinted clear with black backs and windows, and that looked really good. So to me, it's a little something different, still not as much upkeep as polished wheels, and not as much upkeep as black wheels because they're insanely hard to keep clean. So
Don't clean them like I already went.
he said just don't clean them like he does his. Yeah, yours, I'm not saying yours doesn't look good.
It's fine, I know what you're saying, but they don't look good.
I just don't want mine to look like yours. I want it to be different, you know? What do you guys think? Drop it in the comments. And it doesn't actually matter because, you know, I don't listen to nobody. Can't tell me nothing. I'm gonna do them exactly how I want to. So stay tuned. Tinted clear wheels. So I'm gonna put pink in just this JTX part and not the JTX on the wheels because I just want some subtle pink accents. So here's how they look with just the raw brushed finish from JTX. I love a brushed wheel. Like these would even look good with just regular clear on them. But I really don't think that would go with the truck. But look how sick these look. It's the shine for me. I absolutely love them. They look so tiny compared to the wheels we normally powder coat, especially because we just powder coated these 30-inch wheels. Little baby 22s. But I love them. So I put them in long enough just to let them gel up. We're gonna take them out, put another coat on. So I'm gonna put a second coat on because I want it to be a little darker than just tinted clear, more of like a smoked charcoal look. So I'm gonna put another coat on and then put them in the oven for full cure. I absolutely love how they turned out. So sick. And some people in my short videos were saying that the center caps should be the same color. They actually are the same color. They just look lighter because of that flat surface that is the center cap. But yeah, once you see them outside and on the truck, I think they're really gonna pop. It looks so good. I'm stoked.
Remember, you want to keep it under the bead, like this. Now push it on.
I loosened it up for you.
All the way out to the lip of the bead.
All that.
Yeah, you don't want to touch the wheel, but like right next to the wheel. Hang on. Now look how far away from the wheel
yeah,
it is.
you're right.
Slow down.
Yeah, does it go in slow? Is there a
Just
slow
bump
option?
it. No.
Okay. Good?
Okay.
Are they heavy?
It ain't light. Too old for this shit.
Oh. Yeah, I'll probably just let you do that. These wheels and tires have humbled me enough today. All right, now it's time to install the leveling kit so that I can actually fit the 35s and 22s. It's bright out here. We're gonna get it pulled into the shop and start on that. Then after that, all I'm waiting on is my mounts for my rigid lights that are going across the front bumper, and I might be doing some up there. I don't know yet. Stay tuned. So the leveling kit I have is Elevate brand, all already powder coated gloss black. Got a new one of these going on that was just off one of, stock part from one of the trucks that we've taken apart. Then new Fox shocks, and it also came with these overlays, which I didn't realize until we took it out of the box. So I'm probably gonna powder coat these pink.
Unhook this sway bar, or pull the sway bar straight down. Just from back here. Pull it down a little bit. There you go. That's good. It's not too much in your way. Okay. That will be a pain.
So I decided to just do the overlays matte black over the gloss black, just for something subtle. Don't mind Zach back there is, yeah, then I'm like, you know, you can take the inside doors off because those are rough. But yeah, I think that looks good. I think pink would have been too much pink for what I'm going for. And yeah, let's see what's going on over here. First look of the wheels up against the truck, I am in love. I'm so excited. It looks so good. It looks so good. I'm obsessed. I'm stoked. Like, it's coming out exactly how I wanted it.
Can't use it no more. Anybody want to make sausage or make griddles? Wrapper? I got one.
Put your purse down.
Oh, I can't take it.